What is going on, people? You are watching Steptoe And Mum. We buy stuff, sell stuff and flip stuff for a profit. I am Sonny Green and we are in a place called Trowbridge in Wiltshire. So we're doing a house move. Someone sold their house in Southend, they're moving to Trowbridge, and yeah, we are waiting for the keys. So I'm killing some time and I thought I'd make a little cheeky video. Why not? Let's go in this antique shop. This is also the oldest building in Trowbridge in Wiltshire as well, so the old Sweetworks. Let's have a little look.
Smile and get on with it. Always been an honest kid. They want me wrapped in politics. That silence me on.
Hello. What a marvellous little shop you got.
Hiya.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Happy enough.
Perfect. I'm just gonna have a look round. I've got a furniture warehouse in Southend. We're doing a house move, but our customer's not here yet, so we're waiting for the keys.
Well done.
So I'm checking out your antiques. I've also got a kind of like an antique shop called Steptoe And Mum. So yeah.
You doing well?
It's doing all right, mate.
Oh, good.
It's doing okay. What about this place?
Best it's been for 15 years.
Really? Amazing. That's really good. Why is that, do you think?
Pandemic had a lot to do with it, I'm sure.
Yeah.
People didn't go abroad and spend £5 grand on holiday. So they buy something they want for their house.
Do you do house clearances and stuff, or
Used to, I just do cherry pick now.
and buy off dealers and that? Yeah.
I say, I love that, here's the money, do what you want for the rest.
Yeah, exactly. Cool, that line's good. $180, look at that. You can tell that was good. Someone else, was that you? Wow. So I got way too close to the radio, and so I'm just gonna voice over it. £4,700. Wow. Definitely ain't buying nothing in this shop to flip. But shout out to Trowbridge and the Wiltshire crew. They really got to talk like that. I mean, you know, this guy is quite funny. I don't know if that's a Norfolk accent or a Somerset one. I think it's a Somerset one, you know. But yeah, I just want to take this moment to say I got 2,000 subscribers now. Oh, my subscriber gang, I love you. Here's a bit of little content what I get up to on a day-to-day, just exploring. It's not going to be that exciting, this video, but I mean, you know, it's a video, isn't it, I suppose? So just watch it and enjoy. I'm trying to give you as much as I can. I love you. Bye. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is Trowbridge High Street. It's quite cool, really, I suppose. It's a little Starbucks. But where is the charity shops? But anyone who's not from England, this is a typical kind of like village England. Oh look, here we are. We are in I think this is, I don't know what charity shop this is, but loads of, it's a Lambretta jacket, but I wanted a tenner for it. Passing on that. It's nothing really that good in there. It's very dry. And this is British Heart Foundation. Let's see what they're saying for themselves. Just loads of big bits of furniture, which is selling for more money than I would sell it for in my furniture warehouse, because we are really cheap, actually, just affordable. I mean, they're trying to sell coffee tables in here for like £70 and stuff. Jolting! But there you are. There's a sale section. Toasters, 15, 20 quid. How much does that say? £15? I'll sell them for a fiver, mate. Come on. What's all that about? Anyway, here we are. There's definitely nothing for me to buy and flip in here. Like 100%. Definitely not. 90 quid. 45 for that. 45. Maybe it's 45 for one. Who knows? Either way. Here's what it is. So we got a vintage shop, BB Vintage, Trowbridge, bang opposite a charity shop. So this could be us right now.
Yeah, but it's got a sink.
All fallen darts, just
Yeah, we're not far from anywhere else, are you?
I like this sign. How much is this sign?
40 quid.
Okay.
Proper airplane one.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
from Dawson.
Showing off some of your items, guys. Is that vintage sign for sale as well? Or?
No, I made that.
That's one you made, yeah? Wicked. You'll be surprised you can sell them. How long's this shop been here?
Nearly 2 years.
Okay. Nice.
How much online? Oh, they all gone now, are they?
And it's your shop, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, wicked. That's really cool. Yeah, nice. So, and how long's it been open?
Coming up to 2 years now.
Brilliant. And what made you want to start selling like vintage kind of antiques and stuff?
I don't know really, just sort of came about and happened.
Cool.
No real reason.
Perfect. So this is wicked, man. It's good you're going for it.
Thanks.
Yeah. What's your favourite part about like reselling and stuff?
Definitely buying.
Yeah.
Yeah, so interesting finding out about all different bits and pieces.
Cool. And for any like up and coming resellers or people that kind of want to get into it, maybe leave their full-time job and start doing it, what would you say for them? Any kind of words of wisdom or anything?
Risky.
Risky, yeah.
Yeah.
But who dares wins, right? Right. We've got the Bugsy Malone vinyl, the Resurrection. How mad's that?
What film you in now?
I've been interviewed here. I've been in a feature film called Still with Aidan Gillen, and I've been in a film with Ben Kingsley and Gillian Anderson called Our Robot Overlords. Check that out.
Yeah, he follows you on Insta.
Hello.
It's Reseller Daz, Mr. Green.
What's happening, Reseller Daz? How you doing, bruv?
What are you doing down this way?
I'm down here, man. What are you here?
He lives up the
I'm
road.
literally like 5 minutes away.
Oh, wicked. You're going to be in my YouTube video.
Good.
Just letting you know. Yeah, I'm doing a house move. So I'm just moving someone's house. Southend House Removals. We love what we do. So yeah, and I thought I'd come in and check out some of the shops, but I'm obviously going to go to that charity shop next to see if I can buy anything and flip in there. And yeah, I've met this Phoebe.
Yep.
Doing her thing. I'm just networking, brother. You know how we do.
I'm always promoting her on Instagram.
Okay, wicked. Yeah.
All good.
Yeah, nice.
Oh, no, it's good to speak to you.
Yeah, no, you too, brother. Drop me a message on Instagram, yeah, and we'll see if we can hook up if I get the job done quick enough.
Alright then.
Much love, brother. Bless, man.
Cheers, mate.
Bye.
Bye. How strange.
For a tenner, I would buy that, but taking it back is going to be difficult for me.
Just got broken it.
Yeah. It's gonna be... What a wonderful little shop. BB Vintage. Phoebe's 24 years old and she's smashing it, mate. Opened up her own shop. It takes a lot of, you know, takes a lot. Anyway, just quickly check out this charity shop and then I better get on with my job. Get that for a tea. Shout out to George Ross, he'd pick that one up. Let's go, George. That's a Hawkwind top. That'd probably resell for a profit. But clothes is really not my thing. £4.50. That'll go. Yes, people, so that was me thrifting up in Trowbridge. I could get it wrong. But yeah, wicked little spot, wicked little place. Spoke to Reseller Daz, which is crazy. Big up Reseller Daz, man. He always supports the videos. And it's nice to meet Phoebe and go round. I bought a little top just as a memento. I think it was quite cool. He come home with me. But yeah, just having a little explore, you know. For me, I do not like thrifting in charity shops, and that's really not my thing, you know. But especially because I just honestly I find them overpriced, and there's never for me that much good stuff. But that lamp would have sold for about 20-30 quid, something like that. So I could have bought that and flipped that, because that would have definitely been a good one. But realistically, I'm 3 hours away from home. I've got a van full of someone else's stuff that I need to go and deliver. My men have started, so now I better get back to the van and play catch up. But yeah, thank you for having me. I appreciate it. And if you're in this part of the world, then go check out BB Vintage, and yeah, support your local vintage shops and thrifters and resellers, man, because gotta keep the vibe alive, y'all.
Always been an honest kid. They want me wrapped in politics, try silence me, I'm opposite.